Folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you the Chaparral built by Coachmen. It's a 373 MBRB. A lot of letters there. Let's go inside and take a look inside the coach. Some features. Great coach for a huge family. Nice 4-step entry. Aluminum. We'll step into the galley and the living area here. You've got a table and chairs, 4 chairs. It's got a nice kitchen, a lot of prep space, solid counter surfaces, nice stainless steel sink. Got some pantry space here. Nice cabinet for dishes here. Gas grill top, gas oven, microwave, nice 18 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator freezer. If you take a look over here on this side of the counter, you've got some nice space, dish rack, and another nice drawer. This works great for dishes. Place for garbage can, storage over here. You've got a nice entertainment center with the built-in fireplace, DVD, CD player. We're going to walk back to the back. This has got a kind of a guest room or additional living space. It actually has a trifold sleeper which works great. They're very comfortable. And a full bath with a shower back here. So if you're using it for bunkhouse and you've got children, you've got 2 bathrooms in this coach. Very, very nice feature. Let's step up front. Notice we've got fantastic fan over the galley, which is very nice to have. You've got your second bunk room here with 2 full bunks. This has got a 300-pound capacity, lots of storage in it. A mount for a second TV here. Notice there's no carpet on the steps. It makes for carpet wears on steps real bad, so that's really nice. It's got the keypad feature, porcelain toilet, nice glass enclosed shower. It's almost like a master suite with its own bathroom. It's got a nice linen storage, bank of drawers here, more wardrobe over here. Another bank of drawers, more wardrobe on this side, second air conditioning, mount for a TV, nice walk around queen bed. It's a great coach for a large family. As we walk out, I want to point out this coach is built with Azdel. This white sheet is Azdel. Nice thing about Azdel is 50% lighter than the Luan product that most coaches use. It won't mold, it won't mildew, won't retain moisture, you don't get delamination, and you have no formaldehyde smell with that coach, or with that product. You've got a nice 6-point level up system with this coach, alloy wheels. It's got great storage underneath in the belly. No pipes coming down, which is really nice. If we step back here to the back, you've got an outside entertainment area. Another Furrion big screen TV. Parked kind of close, I can't open this all the way up. Refrigerator, nice gas grill, and some light out prep space. Your second entry, which goes right into that bathroom, which is just perfect. It's got the center for a bike rack or an accessory rack, 50-inch service, ladder to access your roof. This is a great family coach. You also have your full docking station here, which has got city water, black water flush, hot water bypass, all your gate valve lights. This is all LED lights inside and out. It's a great coach. Coachman's a very well built coach. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. We've got plenty of chaparrals to show you here at Guaranty. Please give me a call. My phone number, my cell phone is 541-521-8914. I'd be happy to answer any other questions you might have.